All right, so we have lightning talks beginning now. First up, we have Max Harris, and he's going to be showing us some education apps that they've built with Meteor.
Hi, guys. So I'm a software engineer with Laporte Labs. So our company, our parent company is Laporte Schools. We have 13 schools all over the country, so in SoCal, Brooklyn, and the Bay Area. And Laporte Labs is a team embedded in this private network of Montessori schools. So just this past January, we opened the school just down the street at 50 Fell. And I'm going to show you 2 web apps that we made using Meteor. Oh, you're not supposed to see that slide. OK. All right. So the first app is this collaborative document editor that we use to edit our report cards. So this editor is actually Daniel Earwicker's Corota text editor that has all of these wonderful rich text features. And it stores its text in a JSON format. And the work that we've done is to extend it to do these other features, such as commenting. So you can hover over these comments like this, and it will actually reach into this Canvas text editor and highlight the text run associated with that comment. We also added this edit history there. So this thing basically runs over the text runs and does diffs between them. So the second thing we have is our second generation system. So it has these 4 parts to it. The first is a student information system. We use to store student information in records. And so here, we have all of these custom widgets we've done that rely heavily on Meteor Reactive-R and Blaze template instance APIs. So here we have this wonderful little time picker I can show you. You can flip around. So you can set the minutes here. And you can switch between AM and PM. And you can actually have multiple instances of this thing that won't clobber each other up on the screen. And you can change these times, and they reflect in that string, that schedule string up there. OK, so the next feature is this task manager that you can go to. So it has this little feature in it that you can go, and you can basically view the history of the task, like where people have sent this thing and how it's gone through the system and who did what and when. And so we're actually doing more dynamic SVG in this little box here to render this tree. So basically, I sent a task to these 2 people. One of them grabbed it up and delegated to another group of people and sent it back to me, and they sent it to this other group, that kind of thing. So we have this way of sending tasks to people that's kind of cool. So you can go and you can search for people and add people onto a task and send them off, and they go into the other inbox and that kind of thing. And so if you open one of these up, we've got this wizard that asks the teacher all of these different questions. And we've actually got 3 kinds of layouts. I'm actually trying to search and find another one for you. Let's see if this one will do it. Yeah, so this one has like 88 questions in it. And so these 88 questions actually go into making a Montessori progress report for younger children. So we have 3 kinds of widgets that are in here. And I want to stress that these things aren't hard-coded templates. These basically come from this JSON template, for lack of a better word, that puts them up there. And we have a lot of cool little features in there. Like we track the progress. If you look, it says 6%. So if I click some more of these questions, it'll keep going and basically show you where you are. You can scroll around. We've got a text widget at the bottom, so you can enter text. OK. And the final thing I want to show you is we have dynamic PDF generation on the client side using PDFKit.js. So you can save that thing, and you get this tiny little 80 kilobyte document that our system generates. And it's right there. OK, so back to the slides. All right, so that's our school again. So this is their team. So Chris Alexander up in the corner is the really highly talented designer that I worked with to make these apps. And everybody else is very much fun to work with. And we're hiring. So come and ask me any questions you might have. I think we're out of time, right? Yes?
Does anyone have questions for Max?
Yes?
What was the front-end piece? Did you use a CSS framework? Or?
Yeah, so actually we use Stylus to do all of the styling stuff. That's really Chris's job. I didn't do any of the styles.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.